They're they're walking. I think they are removing weights. They are removing weights. And over there, and there they seem to be collecting some vegetables and removing weeds. As you can see behind me, everywhere it looks green. Actually, it looks totally smashing. I like green. Oh, it's really, really beautiful. Astounding. It's really, really astounding. And as you can see behind me, there are different types of vegetable have been planted. Actually, I made a video couple of weeks ago about it, about vegetable garden. At that time, people were cultivating and planting. Now, as you can see behind me, it's green. Actually, it has grown. There are different types of vegetable. Uh, here, have a look at. Here are different types of vegetable like chili trees, a string bean, and then corn trees. Do you know what is this? This is corn trees. These are corn trees. Oh, in the middle of this vegetable field, I'm seeing that very few red leafy trees. Very few red leafy trees.